This is KF5GEC calling KF5GEB. Alright, so one thing about me is that I am a licensed ham radio operator. So I've gone through the testing, I've gone through the instructional, I've gone through all that to get my FCC license to transmit on ham radios. So one thing that I really want to do with this truck is get some radio equipment hooked up into it. I always tell people you should have 3 levels of communication. You should have a handheld radio, you should have a CB radio, and you should have a ham radio. And you need a backup to a backup to a backup. So that's why I tell people you need 3 levels of communication. So that's one of the first things that I think is necessary to do to this truck, is to get a radio put into it. Especially if we're going to be driving in areas that don't have cell phone service, it's extremely vital. Now I know a lot of the areas too will be in mountains, so that means it's going to be really hard to get a signal for a cell phone or even a ham radio. But at least with a ham radio, if I can't get a signal in a valley, I can at least walk up to a hilltop and get some type of signal off of a repeater or maybe at another ham station out there. So that's what I think is really important, is to get a ham radio hooked up into my truck. If you enjoy hearing about Chevy Colorados, be sure to hit that like button down below so that more people on YouTube will see this video. Thank you. Alright, now YouTube's going to have a floating box right in this area here of the next video that you should be watching.